Say hello.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Nora G. So today I will be showing you how to do a Valentine's Day table setting for two. Yes, table setting for two. Wow. Yes, a Valentine's Day table setting for two, or romantic Valentine's Day table setting for two. And without much ado, before I get into it, if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, okay, and join my new virtual family. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for sticking with me as always. Mwah. Let's get into it.
Okay, so for this easy Valentine's Day table setting or DIY romantic table setting for two, I will be using this black and white flocking damask tablecloth from eFable Mart, as well as this silver sequin table runner. Link can be found in the description box below. I will also use this beveled mirror tray from Michaels at the center of my tablescape. The cover theme for this Valentine's Day table setting is white, black, red with some silver accents. So I will be using these beautiful red mercury candle holders from my Christmas tablescape video. Link can be found above and in the description box if you haven't watched that yet. And also these metallic silver candle holders as well. I will use them with these silver mercury votives, also from eFable Mart. Link in the description box below. I was torn between using these red charger plates from my table decor on the budget video and these silver charger plates from the Dollar Tree. I ended up using the red charger plates as they added more pop and contrast on my tablescape than the silver charger plates did. And now for my florals, I will obviously be using these fresh natural roses and baby breads I bought from my local grocery store. I will set them in these Sabrina bought glasses I got from the dollar store. This is the exact flower combo I used for my Lady Valentine DIY video, except those were artificial flowers and these are natural. There is something about roses and baby breads that mesmerizes me, especially red roses. Yes, my husband knows that. So I pruned and cut each rose to my desired length and placed them in pairs into the bought glasses. All set, and now let's carry on. Okay, so I placed a vase of roses in between each candle holder and then added my floating candles and tapered candles into their respective candle holders. Just watch as I do this. You can also check the description box below on where to get these hurricane candle holders. They are so simple and add so much flair. I am using these black plates and side plates from the Dollar Tree over my charger plates. Dollar Tree for the win, guys! Dollar Tree always coming through for those of us looking for a Dollar Tree Valentine's Day table decor. You could use a napkin ring or napkin holder, or just place your napkin like I just did mine if you're looking for something different, and place a rose on the side plate for an added touch. I also got the drinking ware from the Dollar Tree. For the cutleries, I am using silver this time around and not gold for obvious reason. I got the silver cutleries from Amazon. Link in the description box below. So a special shout out to my cameraman, aka hubby, for taking a break from his sports to capture this moment for me. Thank you. This is looking quite romantic already. I'm loving it. So I will be using these petals, these rose petals from the remaining fresh roses over my mirror tray and the bottom of my candle holders for an added romantic look, and then the floating candles into the candle holders. Remember these boxes from my Lady Valentine DIY video I got from the Dollar Tree? The ones I used for my cascading chocolates and roses? Yeah, I will be adding some Kisses chocolates into the red and silver ones and then place them on the sides on the table. Now we're almost done, but not there yet, okay? So, and God said, let there be light. Okay, now it is time to light up the candles. I always say there is no such thing as too many candles or too many flowers, okay? So, light them up. Just watch as I complete this. Are you still watching? Okay, so if you've watched right up to this point, you are amazing, hands down, yes. So please do comment romantic in the comment section below and show your girls some love. Romantic, obviously, because it is a romantic table setting for two. Okay? Thank you. Just look at that tablescape, guys. Candles indeed do make all the difference. They add so much warmth and depth into any decor or tablescape setup. I am so loving the pop of red over the black and white flocking damask table linen, as well as the black plates. What do you think? Now let's see how cozy and romantic this looks without the lights. Just candle lights. Can someone say ooh la la? Wow, I am loving the romantic vibe oozing out of this Valentine's Day table setup for two. You play too much, Nora. Okay. I just love how there is some glimpse of natural daylight piercing through, but not enough to outshine the candles. Alright, I love it with just the candle lights. Which do you prefer? I would like to know in the comment section, with or without lights. Please do let me know in the comment section below. I love to engage with you all. You already know that. Okay, I'll be looking forward to your comments. They say it is all in the details. An easy Val's Day table setup. Don't you just love how dreamy this looks in the dark with just the candle lights? Because I love it. I am in love with it. My husband was in love with this. Okay? A quarantine table setup for two. Yes, quarantine. I normally don't decorate for Valentine's Day, but would from time to time do setups for not Valentine's Day related. I mean. Okay, so we usually would just go out for dinner and a movie on Valentine's Day, but now on lockdown we can't do that, so I thought to do this instead and relish the moment. You don't necessarily have to use red like I did in this video. You can use whatever color of your choosing, okay? I chose red because, of course, Valentine's, and it matches with my curtains, okay? Anyways, so keep in mind that this is not limited to Valentine's Day only, okay? You can do this DIY romantic table setting for two at home for you and your loved one for a date night, birthday for two, a milestone celebration for two, and just because. All right, it is a good way to just wind down, TV and phones off, disconnected from the rest of the world, and just reconnect and rekindle some flames. All right, okay, I'm getting so poetic right now. Chit chat, laugh, cry, wine, and dine together with no onlookers and no distractions. How about that for this Valentine's Day on the lockdown? All right, guys, enough of my poetic speech, okay? Let's just savor the moment and enjoy this tablescape for two, or this Valentine's Day table setup for two. I really love it. And yes, I have a thing for medium height centerpieces. So this is not too tall, it is not too low. You can also just do this using the hurricane candle holders and the roses without the mercury vases, okay, the mercury candle holders, and it will look just as good. My bad, I should have done another version of this showing you what I'm trying to explain, but trust me, there's many more table settings coming up on this channel, so stay tuned and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, do let me know in the comments section what you think about this tablescape, what you would do differently, what plans you have for Valentine's Day. Just tell me everything, okay? I want to know. All right, that's me just playing, but yes, I would love to chat with you all in the comments section and, you know, pick your brains and you pick mine. How about that? And if you've enjoyed this video so far, please do not forget to smash that like button, guys. It goes a long way. And meanwhile, don't forget to check out my previous video, my last week Valentine's DIY or Valentine's Day DIY video on how to make some really cool shape sculptures, okay?
So that brings us to the end of this video. I had so much fun sharing this with you all. I hope this inspires you Valentine's Day coming up. You can do your tablescape however you want. Alright, you must not go with red. I went with red because of course Valentine. You could do pink, whatever color that suits you, girl, because of course it's your prerogative. Alright, your life, your choice. And also for many other date nights that you may want to plan for yourself and your loved one at home while on lockdown, or even without lockdown, just to have some private home time, just the two of you with a romantic setup. Okay, so if you did enjoy this video, please do not forget to hit that like button, yes, and please also do not forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification bell so you always get notified every time I drop a new video. In the meantime, always remember to be your fun self no matter what life throws at you. Yep.